What's up, guys? I'm glad to have you back. So, meme coins on the Binance Smart Chain have been booming recently, and people have been able to make a lot of profit by actually trading BNB meme coins. Okay, so right now in this video, I'll be talking about how you can actually buy BNB meme coins, where to actually buy it easily, and other things you need to note before you actually dive into it. Okay, but before we actually dive into this process, I would like you to please take some of your time to smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Here I basically talk about different ways I make money online. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right now. Now, to be able to trade the BNB meme coins, you don't need the Phantom wallet for this, okay? Now, this is because the Phantom wallet only supports the Solana blockchain, and only Solana meme coins can be traded on it, all right? But then you can use other wallet like your MetaMask, your Trust wallet, and many more, all right? But there's actually a particular exchange I really like using for this, which is actually the BIT exchange, all right? Now, I talked about the BIT exchange about a few weeks back, and this is actually a very good exchange that I've been using recently. And one thing I like about it is that it actually makes it very easy for me to actually trade meme coins, okay? And if you want to actually get started with the BIT exchange, I'll be dropping a link in the description section so that you can actually sign up and actually verify your account on it, all right? So with as low as 5 USDT, you can actually trade any meme coin right here on BIT exchange. And once you actually come to your BIT exchange this way, you click on the Go Rich button right here, all right? Now, this is where you can basically trade any meme coin on the Solana blockchain, the BNB blockchain, and also the Base chain, okay? And if you come to the BNB chain, you can see a lot of tokens have been listed right here. Now, like I said, the BIT exchange actually makes it easy for you to trade meme coins, because if you are to actually trade a meme coin, let's say in the Binance Smart Chain, you first of all need to purchase the BNB itself. Then you have to transfer it to your wallet like your MetaMask or your Trust wallet. Then you have to use that BNB to actually buy any BNB meme coin you want to buy on the wallet. But then here on the BIT exchange, all you need to do is to actually have some amount of USDT in your wallet, that is in your Go Rich wallet, all right? So right now I'm going to be transferring from my main wallet to my Go Rich. Let's say I want to fund this with 10 USDT, all right? So I've transferred this, and you can see it right here, okay? And you can easily fund your accounts right here by actually clicking on the deposit button. You select the USDT, and then you select the network you want to use to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit using the BNB network. Then you select the account you want to fund, okay? So let's say you're funding the Go Rich account, which will enable you to trade meme coins, okay? And once you do, it's going to appear right here in your Go Rich account, all right? Now, the next thing we're going to look at is how to get meme coins to buy. I know the ones that are good for you to actually trade, okay? So for these, there are different tools you can use. You can use your social media tools like your X, your Telegram, your Reddit, and many more to actually follow top crypto influencers that will actually drop you meme coins calls that you can use to actually buy a coin. And once it rises to a certain level, you sell it off, okay? And another tool is the deck screener, all right? Now, anything that has to do with meme coins, the deck screener is actually the top app you can use for this, okay? And you can also use your coin market cap, but the deck screener actually comes installed for me, okay? So let's head over to deck screener right now. So this is the deck screener. Right here you can find trending meme coins on different blockchain, the Solana, the Base, and the BNB blockchain, okay? So we want to purchase a BNB meme coin, all right? So to do this, you need to actually filter some things. So you see right here, you're going to scroll this way, you swipe it this way, then you click on the filter button right here, all right? So right here where we have all platform, we want to select the BSC, okay? Then we save this, all right? Then right here, you want to check out the liquidity. You want to put a minimum liquidity of, let's say, 100,000. And then right here, you want to put a market cap from, let's say, 500,000 market cap and above. Now, this is to help you be on a safer side to avoid tokens that might rug pull you, okay? Then I'm just going to click on the apply button right here. And here we go. This has filtered this to BNB meme coins, all right? And then now, the next thing you want to look at is the market cap, the liquidity. So let's go with a token. Let's say this save right here, okay? So when you click on it this way, you want to check if the liquidity is locked this way, all right? Now it's locked. Then if you scroll down, you want to check out all this. So if all these criteria are ticked this way, that means this particular token have been vetted and it was actually launched by a very good developer that might not actually rug pull you, okay? So the next thing you want to do to buy this is to actually copy the contract address, and you can easily do that by clicking right here. All right, so when you check out all these things and you see it's okay, you check out the liquidity is locked, the market cap is okay, and you can see a lot of people are trading these. All right, and you want to also make sure that the buys are more than the sell. In this case, the buys are more than the sell. Okay, so you can actually get into this. Then we'll head over to the Bit Exchange. All right, now when you come to the Bit Exchange, you come right here to the trade. Okay, then you click right here on the drop down. Then right here where you have token name or CA, you just paste the contract address of that token. All right, and we have the token right here, which is the safe token. Okay, so if you want to purchase this, you're just going to put in the amount in USDT you want to use. So let's say I want to purchase this with 10 USDT. This is the amount of safe token I'll be receiving. So I'll click on the buy save right here, and it will convert my USDT to save. Okay, and this is very easy. That successfully traded this. You can see they are available save I have here. Okay, and if you want to sell, you can actually sell everything by clicking on the 100% button, and it will tell you the amount in USDT. Okay, so you can just wait for the price to actually increase a little bit, and once it's giving you some profit, you sell off. Okay, now one thing you need to note about trading meme coins is that it can be risky. All right, the way you can actually make a lot of money trading meme coins is the way you can actually lose a lot of money trading it. Okay, so that's why if you're going to be trading meme coins, it's very good you make a lot of research on that particular token before you actually buy it. Okay, this particular video is just to show you how to use the Bit Exchange, purchase any BNB meme coin you want to use it for. Okay, you can join call groups from top crypto influencers that will actually drop tokens that have been researched very well. You can check for them online, and if I also find, I might be dropping them on my Telegram channel also. Okay, so with that said, I want you to know that this is not a financial advice. All right, so you advise to actually make more research before you actually purchase any meme coin online. Okay, also if you're planning to buy any meme coin, only do that with an amount you can afford to risk or lose. Okay, because there are a lot of tokens out there that will still give you a very good criteria, and they might end up rug pulling you at the end of the day. Okay, so you only dive into anything with crypto with what you can afford to risk. Okay, but then I hope you're going to find this video very helpful, and if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.